Hello guys, welcome to our new video. In this video I will show you how to make a beautiful butterfly. It's very easy step. Please follow this step. First of all, we need to a square shape paper, that is any size of square shape, and now we need to follow this procedure. Okay, first fold half and opposite half. It's very easy process if you follow this step. Now we need to fold its corner side, both two corner. You need to follow first, fix this corner and then draw it, and in this same as another corner fold is done. Okay, we are almost done our job. Now just follow this process. Okay, just do it. Okay, and it's very easy and a beautiful butterfly we made. If you cut this corner, we get it a round shape, and if we don't cut it, it's get a corner shape. Now we cut this corner as a beautiful shape. Okay, just look. Now two more steps. Just click, just fold this corner, this area, and this folder corner also fold this area. Now we need to fold opposite corner as me. If you done it, so your job is completed, and now finally we got a beautiful butterfly. Yahoo! We got a beautiful butterfly. If we decorate this butterfly, so we can add some emotes or another anything that butterfly looks very good. Please subscribe my channel and also like this video, share with your friend and comment your opinion. Thank you so much.